Hello friends, in this video we will see how to open and use the sales register in the inventory software. A sales register records sales to all the customers of a business. We can open the sales register using the reports menu in the menu bar, and then we can select the sale reports option and then in turn click on the sale register option that we can see here. After this, the sale register tab opens. As we can see here, we have many columns, namely date, ledger, voucher number, GST columns, and finally the bill amount column. To display the sales, we will have to select a time duration, and for the same, we will input the dates as we can see here. After this, we need to click on the show button, and the sales will be displayed as we can see here. In the bottom here, we can see the overview for the selected duration as the details such as total bill amount, total CGST amount, total SGST amount, total IGST amount, and total cess amount is displayed. For the particular sales, we can only see the date, ledger, voucher number, round off, and total bill amount is displayed now. To see other information, we need to click on the Expand All option here. And after that, various items under the invoice are displayed as separate rows with the particulars such as quantity and GST details. After this, if we click on the Collapse All button, the details will collapse. Kindly note that the additional details will only appear if this checkbox asking for Show Item Details is checked. If it's not checked, the item details will not be displayed even on clicking the Expand All option after pressing the Show button. So to view item details, we always need to keep this checkbox checked. Here we also have an option for advanced filters. When we click on this button, the advanced filter dialog box opens. Here we can filter the sales using various options such as ledgers, item, tax groups, payment mode, etc. We can also apply multiple filters at the same time as we can see here. After this, we will click the OK button and the sales register will filter the sales automatically. We also have the option to view the entries in default and detailed mode. We were viewing the entries in default mode till now. Let us now select the detailed mode from the drop-down list here. When we select this option and click on the Show button, the details of the sales are displayed with two more columns, namely ledger description and the item description. Also, we have a checkbox option here to use a flat sale register. When we click on this checkbox and click on the Show button, the sales is displayed in the format as we can see. All the items in a sale are having different rows, however the invoice number is the same. Flat register option is very helpful when you want to export the data to Excel and create pivot charts from this data. Going back to default option again. Here we get many additional options. For example, we can edit the sales voucher using the Edit option here. We have to select the sales voucher to be edited and then click on the Edit button, and then the Edit Sale dialog box appears. Here we can edit the sale and then press OK, and the sale will be edited. Similarly, to delete a sales voucher, we have to select the sale voucher and then press the Delete button, and the sale voucher will be deleted. To print the sales register, we have to click on the Print option here, and the preview of the register will be generated. We can then print this using the print options here. We also have three other options here, that are we can send the sales register as SMS or WhatsApp, save as PDF, or save as Excel file. To print a sales voucher, we can select the sales voucher and then select the Print Voucher option and then print the voucher subsequently. We have discussed printing of the sales voucher in detail in another video. If we click on the duplicate option here, a duplicate sales voucher will launch in the sales dialog box. We also have various options as we can see here using the drop-down arrow, such as to create a sale return, quotation, etc. referring to the sale selected. We can also see the transaction graph by clicking on the Show Graph option here, as we can see. So we saw how to open and use the sales register in the Inventory software. Thank you.